Hello, good afternoon. I am Nitin Singh, and today I am here to present my Tech-A-Thon projects which I have developed with my 4 team members. So we have developed a data science project, a second in a listed of PDF files. The name of the project is video summarizations, where we have to summarize a video, and also we have to find a subtitle, short subtitle, so that people can easily understand by reading the subtitles, or by just watching the short videos from which we have extracted from a bigger videos. So this is my project. So let's start with the first option. So first of all, we will have these two options: summarize your video and search for a video. I have developed my project name is long and short. So here, first of all, we can also summarize our videos. So if we want to summarize personal videos, and we can go to this sections, and here we can drag and drop our file. So now I'm going just to take a sample files. So let's take this file, and let's see what we can get. So this is a file which we have summarized. This was the length of this file was quite big, of 8 minutes. I have converted in 1 minute 41 seconds. We have also sorted this video, as well as we have also converted this view summary in the text. Like people can read from this also, and people can also watch the videos, and from we can also watch this sorted video, where we can get all the data what the all full video was trying to tell us. We have developed using a NLP, so we can also go in between.
I don't know.
Like we can see, we are getting a full idea that what this our video is going to tell us. So we can also get let me show you our second type, where we have already some developed uploaded video on my data set. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a random video. So I'm going to take this video for friends. So this is let me show you first how this is going to work. We can see this full data, like a full video, 5 minutes 40 seconds. Here we can see that. But if we go to view summary,
hello kids, today I will tell
then we will get a small video of 1 minute 42 seconds. And this video is going to tell same
Hello
meaning,
kids,
but yeah, machine learning, like we can say that machine can't never compete with human. So there will be some like a little bit less accuracy, but it is going to give us a whole idea that what this video is going to tell us. So the whole video, 5-minute video, and we can also get a short summarized data of that particular video. If people don't want to watch the video, you can read the data. And that's all. And if I want to show you some other like a video as well with it working or not, so I can say this Cristiano Ronaldo. So this is a speech of 8 minutes long, and we have converted this video also in a short length. Let me go to the
and this is what I try to do.
as I am using my computer is very slow on i3 processor, so it's taking some time. Now we have converted this video also in 1 minute 40 seconds, and we can also see some text as well. So that's all from my side. It was great pleasure to present you my project in front of you on the behalf of my teams. So thank you.